GM guys, we are now live in this hottest day in crypto. It's Monday, the 27th of May, 2024. Bitcoin is ripping the charts. We just broke above $70,000 with a very, very strong force, a God candle, and Ethereum coming behind it. I think we're expecting to break $4,000 today. So a lot happened in the last 24 hours, let alone just in the last 12 hours. And this live stream is about giving you guys an update of what's going on and also looking forward to the week. What are the most important, crucial moments this week to pay attention to in order to make more money? You're watching Crypto Hustle. My name is Gray BTC, and if you're all about that crypto hustling on the blockchain to make money, then this is the channel you should be following, subscribing, and commenting on, right? All the comments, trust me, chat, I will respond to any comment that is good. So put the comments up there if it's questions whatsoever. And let me give you a summary of what we are going to be talking about today. Okay, so number one, we shall talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum and the price targets for this week. We also going to talk about free money yields. There's a lot of free money in cryptocurrency right now that I'm taking advantage of. A lot of you guys do not know how to generate passive income when the market is going up. And we're going to talk about ONDO Finance as well. A lot of updates about that project. And if you're an investor in that coin, definitely stick around. And we're also going to talk about Nomi. It got exploited last week. And we're going to talk about Caitlyn Jenner launching her own cryptocurrency project yesterday. Guys, it's going to shock you what's about to happen. Within 24 hours, $30 million worth of market cap has been played. Over 200 million of trading volume generated by Jenner Coin. And we're also going to talk about WIF and some other stuff in between. So let me just go live here on TikTok, if it's going to allow me to. Okay, doesn't allow me. Let me try another page maybe. So tell your friends that we are live right now. They better join in. And if you are not subscribed to the channel or if you're not following me, man, it's time that you do that because you're missing out on a lot. I'm also live on TikTok, so there are no excuses out there for anybody to not be here. All right, I see a lot of questions with on Kick. I will reach out to that. But first, let's get down to business, to the markets. What is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum? As you can see here, we just broke out. But let's do the charts properly like professionals do. Super charts using TradingView. So as for Bitcoin, I mean, it was expected that today we were supposed to wake up to a big pump because market opened bullish after all the news on Ethereum last week and the ETF and stuff. It's only a matter of time that we see a massive breakout. And our target that we want for Bitcoin is here. We want to break the previous all-time high, which was $73,220, right? That's the highest that Bitcoin has ever been. And I'm just going to bring some volume here. Indicators, volume. Okay. Anyway, I need to log in. But basically, the volume on Bitcoin has been accumulating over the weekend, including today as well as the market opened, which saw Bitcoin pushing higher on the 4-hour. It's not going to lie. You can see here that we consolidated a bit and then boom, a strong candlestick. So if you're going to break out of a zone, what you want is this kind of momentum, not so much the smaller stuff, right? So Bitcoin right now is ripping the charts, starting with a fire. And the next target is $71,900. And when we break above that, we go above 72,000. And then we're now talking about $82,000, the next target. This is where we're talking about. So Bitcoin, after it breaks out the all-time high, there is a potential rise of about 13%, taking us over to the $82,000 range. And then after that, it's all the way up to 100K. So $100,000 Bitcoin isn't as far as you think. In fact, by the end of July, Bitcoin could potentially be sitting at $100,000. So let's look at it right now to 100K. It's only a 43% rise, nothing too crazy if you think about it. And the Bitcoin halving has already played. Institutions are jumping on board. US ETF is live. Hong Kong ETF is live. Guys, there is no any other moment to be in crypto than right now. Now, let's look at Ethereum. So there is proof that Ethereum is going to have to rise and break out. The reason is that you can see Lido pumping up after the Ethereum ETF announcement, and also other Ethereum-related coins like Uniswap and Aave and stuff like that. Ethereum itself, the price has been stagnating, struggling to break the $4,000 range. Now, there's a reason for that, because the moment we break out $4,000, guys, Ethereum is going to 5K and beyond from this moment on. If you're watching on TikTok, you might want to get on YouTube, because that's where I am live and you can see my screen. So this is the moment for Ethereum to break out. You can tell that both Bitcoin and Ethereum are very close to breaking out their previous all-time highs to now accelerate into newer all-time highs. Now, what happens when this plays out? If Bitcoin and Ethereum breaks all-time high, expect altcoins to also do exactly the same, which is even going to be a little bit more exciting. So think about this way. If we take a coin like, let's take a coin like ODI, right? ODI's all-time high was almost $100, 97 bucks right here. So now it's sitting at 41 bucks. It means that if Bitcoin, Ethereum are into new all-time high, the same momentum will have to be applied to altcoins. And a lot of altcoins are still down, like by 50% or more. So by the time they catch up to their previous all-time high, you're looking at doubling your money already, like 133% or so for a lot of altcoins at the moment. Okay, now let's talk about free dough. Yield is very important. When markets are going up, I will show you guys on DeFi Llama what's going on in the markets. Right now, we're still way behind when it comes to DeFi, but things are changing every day. Slowly, the TVLs are starting to grow. But also, the yields are starting to get more interested. So what I do is that I'm looking at an opportunity of making money by holding a coin. But I just don't hold it alone. I prefer to use DeFi or staking to earn passive income of the same coin freely, so that I can maximize my gains or return on whatever coins that I'm holding. So I'm going to show you some stuff that you guys can take advantage of and generate free money. Most of it is going to be focused on coins that I'm holding, because some of you guys are also probably holding the same stuff. So starting with on OKX, there is a program there called On-Chain Earn, on the earning program. You can see here they have Ethereum at 3.2%, Aptos 7%, Injective 18%, Polkadot is 17%, DYDX 16%. What this means is that if you're holding any of these coins, you want to subscribe on the flexible on-chain earn. This, you can always redeem the tokens anytime you want. But this is a way of generating passive income on your tokens that you already have, and I'm using it for every coin that I'm holding. The link to OKX is in the description of the live stream on YouTube, or you can also click on my link in bio if you're watching on X. Another one is on OKX. There's also a little bit of yield here. If you go to finance, CoinW Earn, this is all centralized, but there are also other DEX opportunities that I'll show you guys. So you can see there's different type of coins, but what I like to use is not the flexible one. The flexible one locks you in a position like 7 days or 30 days or 60 days, which if you want to stay in that, it's up to you, right? But I like to go for flexible because it allows me to withdraw anytime that I want. So Ethereum tiered APY, 4% APR at the moment. USDT 10%. Dog, if you're holding Dog, which is a Rune coin, 3% at the moment. If you're holding RSIC and you simply click on subscribe here, 5% on that one if you're holding. Because let's face it, some of these coins might take us maybe months for them to pump to the level that we want them to do like a 5, 10x, whatever. So you might be holding them for months. So if you're going to hold these coins for months, you might as well just be generating the free yield if you're holding the funds on the exchange anyway. Solana is at 1%, very small, but Dogecoin is at 5%. And another one is also on Bybit. There's a lot of that going on. There's also Binance has also a lot of yield right now. So any exchange that you're using, guys, go check on the yield programs that they have and take advantage of it. In fact, all the links of all the exchanges that I use to do this, use my links in the description below. And on chain, if you're holding ONDO, I think I showed you guys already, there is an opportunity for pooling some of the tokens and you're earning really good yield on it. That is today, for example, 8.3% APR on Ethereum and ONDO. And there's another pool here, ETH and ONDO, it's 18%. And there's others here just getting started, ONDO and USDT and stuff like that. So you can yield from all this stuff. If you're in Alpha Group, I dropped a clear description, including the coins and all the platforms that I'm using to do all this stuff. So make sure you check that out. Or you can also use our AI that we have in there to help you, guide you through how to go about it. All right. The next thing that I want to talk about now is, ONDO finance. So I know a lot of people watching here are bullish on ONDO as much as I am. So let's look at ONDO finance and how it performed in the last few days. There have been a lot of negative news and FUD on the internet. You have to be careful. So I will show you guys what people are doing. Okay, so this is ONDO. We're now sitting at $1.24, guys. We got into this early. A lot of you guys are like 5x minimum on this project. I haven't sold any, but this is a daily chart. For the last 3 days, from yesterday and backwards over the weekend, we experienced a new all-time high for ONDO on an everyday basis. Look at all these green big candles. Boom. We started on at 96 cents where we were sort of consolidating. And then boom, first candle took us all the way to $1.17 in 1 day. That was a 17% print in 1 day. Next day, another printer. Boom. $1.25. New all-time high. And then yesterday, boom, we printed another one. $1.33 was the top. And then today now we're sort of receded a little bit, sitting at $1.24. I still think that it's still early. We're still gonna rip. A lot of more people are catching up on ONDO, and they're starting to get interested in it, because you have to understand, when the coin is making it every day, like it's in the top performance of the day, it's self-marketing. Because all people do, they go on CoinGecko, they look at, okay, what's pumping today? They see their coin here, and that's how they learn about it. So if you're holding ONDO, man, like, I think we're early. We just got to hold onto it. And another 10x is coming. It's basically on the cards. I'm looking at $30 or more for this coin, but that's just me, not financial advice. I'm just saying that I'm extremely, extremely bullish on ONDO. So the next chapter of the last stream, we're now going to talk about NOMI, Caitlyn Jenner's coin, which if you're in the Alpha Group, we entered early yesterday at like 6 or 7 million market cap. Right now, we have already 3x'd our position because the market cap now is at around $30 million, right? So Caitlyn Jenner launched her own meme coin. I don't know if you guys know that, and it's breaking the internet. We're going to talk about that. And then we're also going to talk about WIF on this channel. But quickly, I'm just going to look at some of the comments by a lot of you guys here wow, we got a lot of Jenner lovers here on the live stream. Let's look at the chat if there are any questions, and then I'll address them. So we got Cha says, hey there, I'm contacting you to propose a partnership that might significantly increase your streaming. My goal is to assist gifted streamers such as yourself to grow a fan base and audience, my network on social media. Okay, thanks for reaching out, man. Just send me a DM on Twitter or comment on any of my Twitters to tell me that I check DM. I will look at what you're talking about. But it sounds interesting. If you can help us to grow. Okay, I can see your Twitter username too. Let me just try to find you right now. If you can help us to scale on Kick, that would be nice, of course. So I'm going to message you right now. Charlo 1A. Okay, I just sent you a friend request. You can then message me after that. YouTube promoting altcoins. YouTubers promoted altcoins because they paid them. It depends which one. That's why I like meme coins, because they're not always paid. And I like projects like ONDO or Runes and stuff like that because they're not usually paid. They're like free public mints and stuff like that. So it depends. You have to be careful which YouTubers you follow. A lot of YouTubers, they use their audience as exit liquidity. They will tell you something just so that they can make money. And then when you buy, they're dumping on you. I don't know it will be late if I start investing around August. I can always do. Yeah, look, man, August is okay, but it's going to be a little too late because if you want to really make it big in this bull run, man, you want to start early. That's the thing. And you don't need a lot of money. If you're finding really good meme coins, you can turn a small amount to something really significant. There are people who turned $1,000 to 40K yesterday because they were early on Jenner. Most of us, I didn't buy first because I saw the tweet, but I was busy telling everybody that, no, I think Caitlyn Jenner's account has been hacked. So this is a scam coin. By the time I bought was because she went on Instagram and made a video saying, hey guys, it's me. This is my coin. So I was a little bit later. Bitcoin Beaver says, thanks for covering ONDO. Let's talk about Jenner. Yeah, we're going to talk about Jenner just in a second. But you guys are absolutely right. Jenner is the way right now. I don't know what Jenner is yet. I would love follow. Okay, cool. So quickly, we're going to jump onto an ad sponsor of this live stream, and then we're going to get back into the stream and talk about Jenner. This video is brought to you by Stooges.io, the Three Stooges. This is a meme coin on Solana that is their STOG pre-sale is now live. It started on May 10th. And so far, they have already raised $1.4 million. So far, they have Bitmart listing confirmed. CoinMarketCap is already listed it. And after their pre-sale, Mexi, Bybit, BingX, and Get.io is also going to list them. They have been featured on Decrypt, Investing.com, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, and this is what they're going for. It's kind of like making fun of crypto characters, including Sam Bankman-Fried, CZ, and Stooge was born to make meme culture great again. No utility, only meme. The no team community. Stooges is maintained by the community, a meme born by and for the community. Create memes to get STOG. So they say share stupid memes and earn STOG on the airdrop. Who is the desk behind it? There's Mo, and there's Larry, and there's Curly. And there's the roadmap. Q1 of 2024 is the birth of the coin. And then there is team creation in Q2. And then in Q3, it's when it gets launched. And this is called the moon phase. The tokenomics are that liquidity is 25%, pre-sale 45% of the tokens, 15% on marketing, which is what they have done here. They have spent some of that money to pay on this chat to promote on this channel as this ad. And then 10% on sex listings, and then 5% on airdrop, which is 5% on airdrop, which is if you make memes, you're going to be earning some Stooges. How to get Stooge? You basically create a phantom wallet, get some Solana on that wallet, and then you can buy it on Pink Sale. So many other creators, I think they have talked about storages, which is a good signal. So thanks to storages for supporting our channel by choosing to promote, to market your project on Crypto Hustle. We definitely appreciate it. Thanks for that. Okay, next moment, let's move on to our subject of the day. Caitlyn Jenner, one of the most popular people in the history on the internet, created their own meme coin. So let me give you guys a TLDR of what happened with Caitlyn. And this is going to shock a lot of you guys. This is Caitlyn Jenner. She got 3.3 million followers. And she came out yesterday, and this was the original tweet 20 hours ago. Make America great again. American flag. We love crypto. And then she showed a picture of herself with Donald Trump shaking hands. And then she came out and said, 𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, 𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀, and Black Noise. These are crypto kings. And then she corrected herself and said, 𝗶𝗺𝗀 of 𝗶𝗺𝗺 meme coin is the crypto king. And then Pump.Fun came out and said strong and beautiful. So it was kind of like a coordination between Pump.Fun and Caitlyn Jenner, right? So a lot of people, including me, went out and say, oh, this coin is a scam. This lady has been hacked. So I will show you my tweet after that happened. I saw it immediately after she posted. I saw it, and then I went out and said, oh, this is a scam. Only if I knew, guys, I would have just entered all the way, right? So this was the tweet. So this is me now updating my community saying, looks like Caitlyn Jenner X account is hacked. She's promoting a crypto scam token. Meanwhile, she posted a link to Pump.Fun of this coin, and I didn't even bother to do it. And then a couple of hours later, Caitlyn came back and confirmed to the community that she wasn't hacked. It was actually her who made the crypto coin. Therefore, people should get in. All right. So let me just find it. Wow, she's promoting a lot, man. So anyway, she came out with this video saying, hey, man, it's me. So there you go. She approved on Instagram and said that it's actually her. And even after people watch this video, they say that no, it was a deepfake. So I came out and went on her Instagram and saw this video of her manager on the official Caitlyn Jenner account approving to the market that, guys, this is real. So at this point, I had already bought some tokens, but a little bit. But after I saw this video, I went even bigger. I bought a bunch more tokens. And then what happens after that? Caitlyn Jenner went on and she joined, her manager joined what we call a Twitter Spaces, for those of you who have no idea what that is. And I joined the Twitter Spaces myself, and I was writing what we call minutes, giving an update of everything that's going on. If you don't know what was going down, you can basically look it up, and you have an idea of a summary of what happened. So since then, if we go on Pump.Fun, I'm ready to pump. This is the coin. This is the chart. Let me go on Dex Screener to show you the real deal. It's still trending on Dex Screener right now as the #1 coin. So you can definitely see it somewhere here. Caitlyn Jenner coin. It's up 40,000% since it started. It has liquidity of $1.4 million. It has $24.8 million worth of market cap already in less than 24 hours. This is the chart. Not forgetting that it has a lot of controversy because the guy that minted this coin, his name is 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, he's from Dubai. He was caught also minting other tokens using the same contract address, using the same wallet address on Solana. And then those were pump and dumps. He created a Telegram group and he was deploying these coins. And then Caitlyn Jenner manager said, hey, man, This guy is a middleman between us. We told him not to sell any tokens, but he doesn't seem to listen. So the community are trying to get this guy, Sahil guy, out of the way so that the community can take over this coin and then maybe turn it into something huge. All right? Because it doesn't make sense for them to rug early when the market cap is only 24 million. Like Caitlyn Jenner is so big, at worst, I would expect them to at least do $100 million market cap minimum. But that's just my speculation. All right. So that's what's been going on. If you have no idea, this is what the chart looks like since it launched. It's basically was going massive. And I think it could actually, if they don't mess it up and if she keeps on promoting and Fox Business start to talk about it, and very in June is Pride Month, I think those are catalysts that might help this coin to actually gain even more momentum and become more popular. And you can see on her Instagram, she hasn't stopped. She's promoting basically every hour, talking about her coin. Right there, you go. She's retweeting, random tweets about the coin. Here she says, "What a beautiful day for crypto! I'm still the crypto queen today with insane performance since launch of Jenner 20 hours ago." And then she kept posting all this stuff, man. Not all crypto tokens, coins, or other crypto assets are the correct investment for all individuals. There's still always a risk associated with an investment, including the loss of value. So, she's just protecting herself from the law as things go, which is very interesting, right? So, Caitlyn Jenner, there we go. She's here to take over crypto, and that's what happened. And lastly, here to talk about WIF. WIF seems to be back now. We're back above $3. Today, we're like $3.30 or something. Dog with heart. WIF saw. Damn, man. Like the way people are hijacking the tokens right now on Dex screen is ridiculous. Like everybody's attacking all the tickers, man. But anyway, we're just gonna do it the cool way, the professional way here with TradingView. So this is Dog with Hat, $3.30 at the moment. And I told you guys last week that WIF is gonna come back. If there's anything that I'm looking forward to, was to just look at another pump for WIF. And here is a clear segment of consolidation, bounce back, pump and dump around this region. It's very clear to see right here, starting at, this is the range right now. So what we're looking at is simply breaking out of this range. When we break out from that range, we're back to $4 and beyond, and we should expect a new all-time high. My guess, my bet right now on WIF is that it's going to go to $10 a piece. But that's just me. If you're not into that vibes right now, that's perfectly fine. But I believe that WIF is going to rip the pockets very soon. We're only about 52% away from all-time high. All right? That's WIF for you. So yeah, that is the update for me, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you. For those of you who are doubting crypto, right now, trading meme coins is the best business there is in the world right now. And I know a lot of people are hating on meme coins. They think it's stupid, it's dumb. But trust me, you can say, I was with an investor today, this morning, in a meeting, who invested early in SpaceX and all these beautiful companies, big companies. Guess what he says? Like, yo, man, I'm looking at what you guys are doing. Even some of these juniors at his company, they're trading meme coins. And he called me to say, man, like, we want to get into this meme coin stuff. What's going on? Because it's clearly the best business to be in. Everybody right now does not, most people are now wiser. Crypto is basically mostly scams, exception for like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But before this, a lot of people were being sold lies about these stupid projects that will, we're the future of blockchain. We're the future. They would say stupid things like we're the future of of memes, or we're the future of supply chain, the future of transport on the blockchain, and people are buying all this stuff, right? Now, let me show you guys something that's gonna shock you, especially you guys that are invested on all these big VC-funded projects and think that you're gonna make it, right? Like Cardano's. Let me show you something that's going to shock you right now. Look at this tweet. Because some of you guys are holding a bunch of bags that have no value anymore and they're not going anywhere. This is 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀𝘁 on Twitter. He says, met a friend working for a layer one yesterday. The team thinks there's no hope for their chain, so they're blowing money on offsites and parties as fast as they can to spend the remaining VC money. I think there are and will be many such cases. This is absolutely true. Most companies, Aptos and all these other Sui and all these kind of companies, raised more than enough money to build something because they thought that, okay, if we build and everybody's jumping on the blockchain narrative, we're going to make so much money. Wrong. The market has woken up that it was only the VCs making money, so the retail is more interested in meme coins. That's why the VCs are losing. The average people are now winning. 2024 is the year of the underdog. And if you're the underdog, you have to pay attention to this meme coin stuff because it might seem stupid, but we're making money. I made like 25K last night on what's this coin? Jenner. I made 25K on Jenner. Right? Does it mean that it's not real to me? To me, it's real because I bought it and it went up and I sold some and I made money. So it is what it is. It depends on how you look at it. So if you're still sitting on the Cardano because Charles Hoskinson told you that in the future, Cardano is going to be the blockchain of Lemore or XRP, they lied to you guys. They lied to you. Has Jenner came to say, and are you going to long it? I'm not going to long with leverage, but I bought some. I sold and took some profit yesterday because I was early. But when Caitlyn Jenner confirmed that it's her and she's still promoting the project on her page, I'm not going to sell everything. I'm still locked in there. I still have some. And if it dips, I will buy a little bit more because I thought it was one of those things where somebody paid her to promote the project for a couple of hours and it's over. But no, she's all in. Now, guess what happens if Kim Kardashian starts promoting it too? What if Kanye comes? So you're like, oh, that's unrealistic. But like Elon Musk says, the most unlikely outcome or the most unlikely or the most entertaining outcome is the most likely. The most unlikely and entertaining outcome is the most likely. So let's see what happens. All right. Thoughts on Polkadot? So DOT is down bad. It will have its own moment. What I have done, I'm buying coins like DOT because they're down bad, but their yield on DeFi on them, if you stake them on OKX, it's high. So I bought some DOT. I just subscribed to an earning program on OKX, and I'm earning on that. And when it pumps, I'm now going to sell it. So for those of you guys who are watching and you want to also do that kind of stuff, all the links to those platforms are in the description below on YouTube. Warjack to the moon. So guys, when you say Warjack, which Warjack are you talking about? Are you talking about the new Warjack or the old one? Because in the last bull cycle, I was the number one supporter of Warjack, but I was disappointed. I see the difference now. This is a new Warjack. Oh, actually, it's more than a year old. I do have watch then, if that's the thing. No, but I think the Warjack that I have is this one. You see what happened now, man? Flip. This Warjack is down bad. It's like 99% down from 2 years ago. That's when I bought this Warjack. Damn, man. But I gave up on the Warjack ticker. I just thought that it wasn't going to work. But I've been seeing this Warjack sort of winning. So I'll look into that and see if it works this time around. Am I late for Warjack? Market cap 83 mil. Okay, that's still good. But another interesting coin is MAGA. MAGA. By the way, if you want to buy Caitlyn Jenner's coin, you can get it on You can get it on CoinW here. They listed Jenner. If you simply go to Trade Spot and you simply type Jenner, Jenner has been listed on CoinW. So there you go. There you have it, guys. It's right here. Link to CoinW is in the description below. Make sure you use my link, even in link in bio on my Instagram, TikTok, whatever, it's there. You use my link, it comes with a lot of benefits, and also you support me and the channel when you do that. So check that out. Jenner is listed on CoinW right now. Take advantage of that. But another one, and also even MAGA hat, Trump's coin. It's not really Trump coin, but it's MAGA, has also been listed on CoinW. You can also grab it from there. So I am not onto MAGA yet. I'm still looking. I'm still waiting for a retracement so that I can find an entry. I haven't entered yet. I'm just waiting. But I think that it could do well because Trump is becoming more popular in crypto and he's supporting the crypto movement and there's elections and he's more likely to win these elections coming. So as a meme coin, I think it really does stand a huge, huge, huge chance. Let's just, oh man, everything is pumping today. Floki on number one, Bonk still rising, STX coming back, Solana, Algorand, with 10%, ENA a little bit down. Yeah, love to see it, man. Gotta love it, gotta love it. I think the high cap coins are starting to make a show for themselves now. Okay, so let's just quickly look at on Dex Screener. Let's lastly look at MAGA, Make America Great Again, man. MAGA coin. Liquidity 300 and okay. Is this the real MAGA? No, it can't be. Can't be this MAGA. Oh, this MAGA is on Ethereum. I see. I see. I see. So you have to be careful with these things, guys. Very, very important. So let's say MAGA on ETH, though. Yeah, this is the real MAGA with the red hat. It's on Ethereum. Be careful. It's not on Solana. So MAGA, the Trump's hat. Make America Great Again. This is the meme coin. It started a couple of days ago. And there we go. It's live and it's pumping. Another interesting project right there. Meme coin. So I haven't bought it yet. I'm looking at this consolidation right here. If we see a retracement at least from this range right here, 32% down or so, then I'll start going in. Right now, I think Caitlyn is getting a lot of momentum and traction. So I think a lot of other meme coins might struggle a little bit. And then I'll start buying them back a little bit. But for now, I'm all in on Jenner. It's what I'm convinced of. And there's Turbo as well. I'm also waiting for a retracement on Turbo. That's when I can get in. Right now, I feel like I'm already missing out. Okay, if it retraces back to these levels here of retracement, 43% or so, that's when I'm going to get back in there. And do you guys have any questions or I can go now? Thank you again for joining the live stream. David Welch says, let's not forget dog go to the moon. Absolutely. The runes, I will make a runes live stream tomorrow. I was meant to do that today, but Caitlyn Jenner's coin, Jenner, took over. So I had to talk about it. But tomorrow we should be back on runes. I'm still bullish. I'm still holding. I haven't sold anything. And if I do, you guys will be the first ones to know. All right? Yeah. If you're watching, like the live stream, it goes a long way. It supports me. So hit the like button. Drop your comments. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter or X because that's when you don't miss out on things like Jenner. I'm always sharing, giving updates on there. This year, guys, is the year of making life-changing money, but only to people who are paying attention. If you're one of those guys who are just sleeping and you're watching football on the weekend and you just think that life is good, you're not going to make it. So you have to be paying attention. That's number one. And then you have to act fast. That's number two. And do not look down on meme coins. The only thing you must be paying attention to right now, it's meme coins. It's the best business to be in 2024. How many times I gotta say this? I don't know. Trump is on crypto. The US government is on crypto. Everybody is bullish. Like, what more do you need to see for you to know that this year crypto is going to go bananas? By the time it's December, a lot of these coins you're looking at right now will be 10, 20x up by then. Love you guys. We'll see you later.